Thomas, maybe you can tell us how you can support when our makers need something in your direction. Hello, good morning from Amstetten. Well, I would like to share now my slides. What can we offer? Who is Trivion? We are working in the industrial three-dimensional printing, but we are not only a printing provider, we are also dealing with classical prototyping and also with serial production of 3D products. We are producing critical units for automotive and railroad. We support our customers in design when certain units should be ideally constructed for 3D printing. What we are not doing is product development for our customers. And what is my hobby is consulting and training. We do a lot of workshops where we just present to students, to clients, what can technology do, what can technology not do, how can you use it economically. So we want to develop technology by trainings. Where are we? Who are we? We are part of the Umdasch group. Our headquarter is in Amstetten. Umdasch group has now more than 2,000 people working on the site. Trivion is in our internal startup, is an internal startup. We are very small but nice unit. We can use resources of the whole group, but technologically we work in a small unit. Well, just a few impressions for our workshops. Well, recently, now this was too quick, we also cooperated with the Future Academy in the Mostviertel. Here we had a workshop series of 7 days. 2 days participants were in our company, then they were at the Technical University in Vienna. They saw a lot of technologies and got into detail. The second picture are people, this is not no carnival, they have this protection clothes because workshop participants work at the machine and there are sometimes dangerous materials. It's quite nice when people can work on the machines themselves. Well, these are the next pictures. If we have told you already, this three-dimensional print is started with prototyping. We do now also a lot of serious production. Well, here we talk about 100 pieces per year or 5,000 pieces per year. So it's quite, well, the applications of course must be sensitive in big amounts. So what can we offer for the project teams? Well, we are available with our know-how. And when we talk about selection of technology, design, principle, questions about three-dimensional print, we also produce prototypes. So for certain projects, for example, with Schwarzmüller, maybe it could be a prototype for the corpus of the sensor or air fryer, also a corpus made of synthetic material. We are available for that, and consultation in design, in construction. Well, this support is not only offered in these 4 days at the boot camp, but we are available 1 hour before best of. So during these projects, please approached us, and the training and the workshops are very well accepted. Maybe there is a group of makers or other industrial partners who also want to join and want to see live how 3D printing is working. We can make an appointment. You can come to our company and well, but we can organize this directly. So when you are interested, call us, tell us, and then I can just manage the interests and we make an appointment in our place. That's more or less everything from my side. Well, just let the slides so that people can write down your contact data or do a screenshot or something like that. And where, well, will you also be at the Makerspace in Amstetten? Can we meet this? Today, I join you only online. Tomorrow at 3 o'clock, I will be in St. Pölten. And on Thursday at lunch, colleagues of Makerspace Amstetten will be in our place in Umdasch, and I'm available, but otherwise always per telephone, of course. Thanks, Thomas. Wonderful possibilities to get into the details of three-dimensional printer and use the knowledge of Thomas.